In this video, I'm going to show just how to upload image and how to upload PDF. So I came to this question I have written in the paper and I kept a mail to my email ID which is there in my laptop. So I downloaded from there. So you can see here I downloaded one image from here. So you can come here like if you see here just share the smiley image. You can see image. So browse repositories. So choose file. So directly it will take into downloads. So after clicking that, upload this file. So click this image is decorative only. So either you click this or type something here like q1p1 like that something, or else click this. So if you don't write anything here, click this. So if you write something here like q1, or so give your question number and page number there. So like that you can do that. So regarding this image upload, I explained detail in that video. So I kept decorative only, save image. So you can see here it is saved. So now what you have to do, if you want to upload second image, so just scroll like this in the laptop. So click here and press enter. So you can see here, right, my so I came to new line. So once you come to new line, again click image. So upload your second image. So I don't have much images. So I choose that and then upload this file. So this image is for decorative purpose only. So save image. So I uploaded this. So okay. So this is, in this way I uploaded my two images. So if you want to upload this next image, so again come to the end of this and click enter. So go to the new line. So now I came to new line and again choose this. So browse repositories, choose file, and this same file I'm uploading once again. So decorative only again. So save image. So you can see here, right? So like this I uploaded. So if you want to upload one more, so you again click here at the end and click enter. So if you don't press enter, no, that second image will replace the first image. So that will be a problem to you. So this is about images. So now I explained about image, right? So how to upload image, everything is done. So if you want in detail, go to that previous video. So now you can see after just beside download symbol, there is a document symbol. So same like that. Choose file. So I'm clicking this online verification something like PDF. So send to your mail, download that and then upload here. So upload file. So that's it. So it will be like this. If you go to next page, so that's it. You can see 11th question is turned into blue. So now I will show you how to do in the mobile. So after coming here, so if you want to upload image just beside the smiley image, you can see that image symbol, click that, browse repositories, choose file. So as you know already, I am not showing that now. So I am now directly showing the PDF. So after coming here, you can see the document symbol. After clicking that, choose file. So open your files in your mobile and click your answer PDF and upload this file. So you can see here, right, it is showing. So I uploaded some random PDF, so that's why it is showing like that. So after finish attempt, if you click finish attempt, so you can see 12th question is also turned into blue. That means I attempted. So still 15 minutes exam is there. So after the 15 minutes, it will be automatically submitted. So hope you understand this video. So in this video I just explained the basics, so how to upload image and how to upload PDF. So hope you all understand. So if you want to know more about LMS in detail, so do watch my previous video where I explained each and everything regarding LMS. Okay, see you, bye, and all the best everyone.